The first mistake most people make on LeetCode, they pick random problems. They just jump all over the place and then wonder why they feel stuck. Remember, some problems are mixed with multiple concepts. If you aren't ready for those concepts, of course, you'll feel lost. So go topic by topic, move in a structured flow, build patterns, not confusion. The second mistake, copy pasting. A lot of beginners do it just to bump their problem count or maintain a streak. Don't fall into that trap. Try to actually understand the problem. Try once, try twice. If you are stuck, use hints or discussions. And only when you are really given your best, then look at the solution. That's where real growth happens. The third thing, contest. Please don't wait until you know everything. Even if you only know arrays and hash maps, start giving contests now. They help you more in online assessments and interviews more than you think. And don't obsess over rating. It rises quietly with time. Fourth, consistency. DSA isn't some theory chapter you memorize and forget. It's a skill. That's why I always tell people practice daily. Not to chase streaks, but so that your mind actually starts enjoying problem solving. Daily practice builds curiosity and your ability to think. Remember, no course in the world can replace that daily grind. And the last thing, confidence. Even after solving 700 plus problems, I can proudly tell you there are still problems I can't solve. And that's perfectly fine. If you are a beginner, listen carefully. Getting stuck doesn't mean you are dumb, and solving one hard problem doesn't mean you are a master. Stay a learner. That mindset keeps you grounded and consistent, and eventually unstoppable.